Now here we see how to make list. Like the way you might have made some list in Microsoft Word page. Like you want to make some list of topics. We can select a bulleted list or numbered list, and you can go on type in the data. As you go on type in data and press enter, a new number starts like 1, 2, 3, 4. But it can be like a bullet shown as dark circle, and that circle gets repeated on every topic. Yeah. So that is how we can make the list also here. So we can have some topic shown with a list, or there is bullets or numbers. Now there are two kind of lists. One is called as ordered list. One is called as an ordered list. Yeah, in which the list will be shown with numbers. Now the numbers can be any kind of number. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4 normal numbers, or it can be A, B, C, D. It can be even A, B, C, D written in lowercase or uppercase, like capital A, B, C, D. Or it can be lowercase A, B, C, D. Or it can be in the Roman numbers like I, 2 I's, 3 I's, I and B, that is for 4. And that's how we can have a numbered link with different kind of numbering. So that is called as ordered list. Yeah. So data is shown in the ordered list form. The main two tags over here are inward over here are OL, that is ordered list, and LI, that is list item. Yeah. OL is to indicate this much part should go into a list form, and each item, each topic of the list is shown as LI. That can be a single word, it can be a big topic also. So LI starts a new topic, new point or new text for the number, and OL is to completely enclose that list of numbers. It can be 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 100, depends on your requirement. Yeah. So now while writing this OL and what kind of type you want, what type of numbering you want, that type of numbering is mentioned over here. For example, type can be A. If you write A over here, then it will show the numbers in the form A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Your topics will be listed as A, B, C, D. If you write type as, let's say, I, take an example as I. Yeah, then your numbering will be Roman numbering, that is I, 2 I's, 3 I's, then I and B, then B and I, and so on. That is for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is how we can show the numbering. If type is not mentioned, by default numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, by default numbering will be normal English numbering, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is called as ordered list. So let's first see how the ordered list looks like and how the coding is done. The first part we'll see is ordered list. So I started our normal page with HTML, head, title, body, everything. Body with the background color as background image as background GIF. Then we have done over H2 just to show the heading. And here we have started OL. You can see over here that OL start OL with LI, 3 list topics which are Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune. Some names are written. It can be a complete paragraph also. And then we have written /OL to indicate this is my one list of elements. Yeah. And then here you can see there is one more listed over here with Goa as a heading A2, and this OL/OL. But this OL I mentioned type as I. Now it will be capital I. So my number will be Roman numbering, that is I, 2 I's, 3 I's, and so on. So number will be in that order. That care will be taken by Internet Explorer or your browser automatically. You need not worry about it. So let's save this file and go back to our page and view this file. Now to view this file, you can just double click on that page and view it. So let's go to this demo. Yeah, that is how it's shown. First is shown is Maharashtra name, and then 1, 2, 3. The normal numbering is 1, 2, 3, and the other numbering is 1, 2, 3 like this. That is Roman numbering. Now let's see how we can go for an ordered list, unordered list. What is ordered list is? The list with bullets. Bullets can be again of disk format, that is completely filled circle. It can be a hollow circle. It can be square. Different kind of lists are possible. So it's called as UL, unordered list. Yeah, it is written as UL, and its list item is listed in the form of an LI. So again, this is UL and LI reduced, and because OL is ordered list, OL and LI reduced. So it's UL with type value written as what type of bullet you want. Now here the type can be circle, the type can be disk, or it can be square. Now in case of Internet Explorer, if you are using this type value, this value as circle, disk or square, then we need to write, spelling is wrong, this is SQU still wrong. Circle, disk and square. Yeah. So now this values you have to mention in lowercase letters only for Internet Explorer. For other browsers, it might work with capital letters also. Only in this case, your Internet Explorer or browser is case sensitive. Otherwise, it is not case sensitive for any other value, any other attribute, any other tag. But for this value, in case of UL, IE is at least case sensitive. It doesn't work properly if you don't write this in lowercase letters. Yeah, and by default value is disk, that is filled circle. The disk will look like a filled bullet. The circle will look like a circle, and a square will look like a filled square, black color square. Yeah, so let's see how it looks like now. So you can write UL/UL and in middle multiple li for list items. So in this case, in our case, we have to know here, you can see H2 Maharashtra something UL/UL, in that there are 3 LIs. Yeah, by default is Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune will be shown with dark disk, that is dark black circle. And then there will be H2 Goa with type as square. So this Panjim, Vasco and Murgaon, they are shown with square bullets. Yeah. So let's see how this looks like. Yeah. So now it is Maharashtra with circles, this list is circles, and this is with squares. Yeah. So that is how we can get a bulleted list. Now, if you try and put it this as S capital, suppose I made S capital, let's set full capital, and we are testing this in a Internet Explorer. So is it working? Now you can see this is also shown in the disk format. Yeah, they are in the disk format. So if you want to really see it working, then we need to write this in lowercase. For example, you can write circle. You show me the circles, that is hollow circles. Now these are hollow circles over here. Yeah. So that you can show bulleted list. Now let's go for next topic, that is in this only, that is how we can make a definition list. Sometimes we need to define some terms on your web page. Some terms like, let's say XYZ, or put a description about it. Then some term called as PQR, some description about it like A term, B term, C term. So some terms you have to define one after other, and you need to write some description about it. So here the definition list starts with the main tag that is called as DL, definition list. DL stands for definition list, and in that the new term will start with DT, definition term. DL is definition list, DT is definition term, and DD is supposed to be definition description. So it's a DD is for term, DD is for description, that is definition description, and DL is for enclosing all these definition terms and descriptions. Automatically it will be shown in this form, like some term is shown and some description is shown, not other, some lines. Again some term is highlighted and some with indentation, some description is shown, and there is how multiple descriptions can be shown. Like some term is displayed, which is description, some term, and this formatting of the data will be done by that HTML, the browser only and HTML only. So we need not do any formatting for that. So it's again a built-in tag for us, so we can show some data in the definition form. So for example,